I just want you to know that you are the
What's up, my beautiful Tiki Twos? How y'all doing today? I just wanted to come on here and say, waking up early, getting your day started with just some type of meditation, which to me is cardio. It's actually getting outside, walking, enjoying the morning. It's slow, it's steady. Most people is not up roughly around like 6:30, 5:30, roughly around that time right there when people is still like trying to get up and get ready for their day. You're already outside and waking up with the sunrise. And just giving God thanks for the little things, like just being able to see the sunrise, being able to breathe, take deep breaths, being able to walk, count your fingers, count your toes. Like living in gratitude is a real thing, and just really appreciate everything that God has blessed you with, even if it's the simple things as being able to breathe and walk and run and see how beautiful the sun is rising, the clouds. But if you like me, I love cotton candy skies, so I'm a sucker for it. I wake up early every chance I get just to see the sunrise and watch the cotton candy skies. That's like the perfect time of the year to me. But I wanted to get on here and let y'all know that it's a lot of things that can stop you from scrolling and just, I'm a habit creature too. Like, I had to take all the apps off my phone just so I won't wake up and just be doom scrolling for hours. So just waking up, putting all the apps on like an iPad or on something that's not your mobile device or your cellular device. So then it's like, I don't have to scroll because I don't want to have to grab another thing. I can wake up, give God thanks, and stretch, use the bathroom. If you like me, take a shower, and then get out here and enjoy the day, the morning. Get it started.
Oh my goodness, come on. Stop.
All right, so I used to live out here on Lake Carolyn. So Lake Carolyn is like in the Las Colinas area. It's like 15 minutes from downtown Dallas and 15 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. So it's like right smack dead in the middle.
Yeah, this is fucking diabolical.
Texas.
With one circle and one
Las
circle.
Colinas. It's in
fucking
Irving,
crazy.
Texas, but it's a lake, so it's called Lake Carolyn. And I don't know how or why, but like God just brought me to this area. I was living in like some real hooded ghetto apartments, and then one morning I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm going to thrifting. And then like he brought me to these apartments, and I was like, I'm not looking for no apartments. Like I'm not even in the, I'm not looking for no apartment, but God brought me to it. And I just looked at least, and the woman gave me like 2 months, and she was like, okay, well, I'm hope this out for you for, I think it was like 30 days to a month. And I was like, okay, cool. So I ended up ending my lease and moving here. And I was there for like 4 or 5 years. I just moved from this area, but it's beautiful. When I say this area is worth every penny, breathtaking views. They do 4th of July here. It's like so much going on in this area, and I've been so thankful to God just to wake up and see it and live it and know that this is gorgeous, And I'm kind of thinking about moving back. Don't judge me. But yeah, so like just hitting like HIIT intervals. So normally what I do is it's like it takes me more than like an hour, maybe an hour. It's like 3.47 miles if you walk the whole thing. So I do HIIT intervals where I'll walk a little bit, run a little bit, walk a little bit, run a little bit. So it's like I don't time it, but it's like after my heart rate go down, and you can really feel it. Like once you get to doing this consistently, you're like, okay, my heart rate is dropped expeditiously, so let me pick it back up and do like some running. So like I try to jog for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I walk for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I jog. So that's what a HIIT workout is. So I try to do this, or was doing this for like, I'm gonna say probably like a year or two to help me drop a lot of weight. The HIIT, because your heart rate is going up and down, so it helps increase your metabolism. So it's not just at one it's not at one state of just jogging the whole time. So with HIIT intervals, it helps burn a lot of calories. It helps with your metabolism because it's up and down. So that's a good thing as well. So just keep that in mind. And like every time you stop and just give God thanks. And for me, meditation is just literally stopping, breathing, taking in what you see, and giving God thanks. Like you don't have to, sit in yogi style position. You don't have to do, there's different ways of meditating. So this is just my way of giving God thanks and appreciating and acknowledge where I'm at, where He has placed me at. And it works for me, I am a morning person, so I can't lie. But yeah, so as I can see, like, if y'all ever get an opportunity, they have so many things that you can do on this lake. The gondola, the 4th of July, they're always doing something on this lake. They have like food truck Tuesdays, a lot of restaurants, Christmas holidays, a lot of things going on. So yeah, if you ever get a chance, ever get an opportunity, and you just be able to be in and right down the street is a Toyota Music Factory. That's another thing, like you get to enjoy the neighborhood. So yeah, if you ever get an opportunity, if you ever wake up and just feel like lethargic or feeling tired, depressed, feel like you're still against the world, it don't matter. Like, wake up, give God thanks, and get out there and get to moving your body. It helps start your day. I know. We hear it all the time, but it really works. Even if it's just walking or jogging or the HIIT intervals, it really helps. What your journey is, that's what it is. It's your journey. So if your journey is anything like mine, where our weight fluctuates, we have depressed moments in time. We go through things in life. So sometimes you just have to stop and I want to see things differently. I want things to feel differently. I want to know that I do matter. I want to know that, that this day isn't a waste. I'm putting it to work early this morning. I'm getting out here walking. I'm getting out here giving God thanks. And it's like, I appreciate it, Not everybody get to live on a lake. Not even, people who've been living in Texas barely even know, this area is there. So I've been blessed with the opportunity to see it. So it's like living in gratitude and seeing things differently. I get to go outside. I get to go for a jog in the morning. It's people who have to rush and start taking their kids to school. So it's like, I'm blessed with this opportunity to wake up. I'm blessed with this opportunity to go walking. There's a lot of people who it's handicapped, It's a lot of people who don't have legs. So it's like you got to start seeing things in a different way and just living in gratitude. So just in case I don't say it, I love y'all. I hope y'all love yourself, and just know that God love y'all too. And just know that you are blessed, even if you can't walk, even if you can't, if you're on a ventilator or something like that. You're blessed just to be alive. Make the best of your situation, and that's all meditation is for me, is finding some positive way to see things in a different light. Not living in gratitude. Giving God thanks for every little bitty thing that's going on in my life. I have a job, thanks. Ooh, I got something to look forward to at 8 a.m. Man, I am blessed enough to walk. Ooh, thank you, God, I can walk. I can walk a little bit, I can run a little bit. Ooh, thank you, God, I can do this, and just start seeing things a little differently. You've got to have those positive energy and those positive vibes in everything you do. And even with the work I do, you have to think of giving people grace, giving people time to figure things out. It's what? I'm not going to start my day in a negative mindset. I'm not going to allow whatever you're going through to change my energy field. I like vibrating high. I love having positive energy. I love being in a positive mindset. So it just helps. Waking up in the morning and giving God thanks and living in gratitude. It changed my positive energy for the rest of the day. I promise you. But if y'all still here, put some green hearts at the bottom. Green is my favorite color. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great day. And let's get after it. Yeah.
Feels so good outside.